Hey everyone, tuned in to Spirit Guides. My name is Romario and I'm a biologist. Today I will be talking about Brazilian rum, known as cachaça. Spirit Guides invited me to be here today, thanks to Jeremy, and I received this amazing kit with cachaça and all the ingredients necessary to make this versatile drink uh, known as Caipirinha, which translates to little redneck. Uh, I love making this drink for my friends and everyone that wants to try a drink usually found in Brazil. And all you need for it is literally a lime, sugar, and cachaça. The versatility of this drink comes in the fact that you can use rum, you can use vodka, and also sake to substitute cachaça in case you don't have. However, to be the authentic caipirinha, you need to have the cachaça. And the main difference between cachaça and rum, because a lot of people ask, they both come from sugarcane, so there is no difference. But in fact, there is a huge difference, and this difference comes from the processing of the liquor itself. Rum usually comes from molasses, which is transforming the sugarcane juice into very dense, almost like caramel consistency, versus cachaça, which uses the sugarcane juice and ferment in a biological process with multiple different strains of fungi. And afterwards, this fermented biologically juice is distilled. And in the cachaça, you're gonna find a spectra of flavors and aromas that will differ from rum. So imagine in Brazil, it's a big country, just like in the US. There are many regions in multiple states producing cachaça. And cachaça is produced in a gold and a silver form. So the silver form is straightforward after biological fermentation and this and further distillation. It produces a silver-looking like liquor that is great to make cocktails like the one we are gonna make today. The other type is the gold cachaça type, which is going to pass through a curing process inside a wood barrel, right? And also the diversity of the flora in Brazil allows the entire territory to have different types of woods. For example, jackfruit wood, or even a native tree called ipe. It's beautiful, it's amazing, but I think you guys are a little tired of so much story behind the cachaça. You can always Wikipedia and Google it to have more information. And I want to walk you through the process of making cachaça, just as an example for you. Ooh, there is a little accident happening here. Ooh. So let's get started. I'm gonna give you the most usually like tip that I give to my friends when I make cachaça, which is you cut the lime in edges, and when you get to the central part where there is this white looking fiber, I think, and a lot of my friends, that it's very bitter, so we don't like to use it in a drink. So you add the lime, then you use a drink mixer and you insert the lime edges. And Spirit Guide send us sugar in cubes, and you can also use regular kitchen sugar. So in this case, we're gonna need 1 lime and 2 cubes of sugar. And with a muddler, you're going to muddle it. I have a hard time with this word in English. So you muddle it, And the idea here is the mechanical movement you are applying to the limes and the sugar is releasing essential oils into the juice formed here. This is gonna base our caipirinha. The next is gonna be ice. So you top it up with ice. And you add the cachaça from Spirit Guides. One second. The timer in the oven was going on. I'm making burgers. So you shake just a couple of times, not a lot. And you add on your cup. I like to drink it with a straw, so I have a sustainable bamboo straw here with me. And ta-da! You have a cocktail. It's very refreshing. Let me taste and see if it's good. Phenomenal. Thank you so much, guys. I hope you enjoyed it because I did. And have a great time.